Hello, I'm Rachel Dankert, the Learning and Engagement Librarian at the Folger Shakespeare Library. Teaching online with images feels static and uninspiring. Contextualizing images next to each other doesn't always feel worth the trouble. Plus, what about all those browser tabs? What if you accidentally click the dreaded red X, losing your hard work? PowerPoints don't allow for spontaneity that happens in the classroom. It doesn't have to be this way. In this video, we will learn to use the Mirador viewer in our digital image database to skillfully present primary source materials from the Folger collection and other institutions. How does the technology work? Mirador is an open source viewer optimized for IIIF compatible images. The Mirador viewer allows for image manipulation such as rotation, color change, and annotation. IIIF, or the International Image Interoperability Framework, is a project that gathers images of cultural heritage objects from a wide range of institutions. The images carry standardized JSON metadata with them called a manifest that allows the image to appear in any Mirador viewer alongside materials from the same or other collections in IIIF. Here is the manifest for the image we just viewed. Notice the link in the URL bar. IIIF appears, as well as manifest at the end. Those words are important identifiers to remember for later in this tutorial. Follow along with this part of the tutorial as it guides you through situating multiple images next to each other from the Folger collection. Open your links for each image before you add them to the Mirador layout. This preparatory step will help you use this tool effectively for teaching or presenting. Now, let's try adding an image from another library collection.